Alright, what up people? So, sorry I haven't been making any videos recently. I recently went to pick up another vehicle in San Antonio. You'll know by the title already, so here it is. This is my 1989 Nissan Silvia. Picked it up, San Antonio. Yes, it is true right-hand drive. The car is basically, for the most part, stock. It's got a replica bumper, or replica body kit on it. It's got the 350Z wheels. It does have, I think it's Techno Toy tuning, lower control arms, ISR inner and outer tie rods, and obviously the five lug conversion. It has Godspeed coilovers, which they ride pretty good. I don't mind them at all. I'll probably be upgrading to some PBMs just so I can get the spring rates that I want. But yeah, this is basically it. It's pretty clean on the inside is what I really like about it. Obviously you got the dash cover slightly cracked. I don't know if you can see that, but seats are in good condition. Back seats has everything. All the bezels have 0 cracks. Basically bought this as basically like another project, but I'm gonna be using this as a daily for when I do start working on my Evo, which will be happening next year. I got some big plans coming for it. Definitely gonna need another car while I work on this one, so I'm gonna be rolling with this one for now, and slowly be building on it and trying to learn how to drift, I guess, like every other fucking S chassis owner. But anyways, yeah, it's a Silvia K. So if you didn't know anything about the Silvia trims, they have the J's, Q's, and K's, which is basically the trim packages. So this one has the CA18, the turbo model. So I think I'm gonna keep that motor in it for now and keep building on it, and we'll see where it goes from there. So I got these new wheels over here, well, sort of new, secondhand from my buddy Ryan out in Barney, Texas. Appreciate the hookup. I'm about to throw these on right now, so let's get to it. All right, so got 2 wheels on one side, and ooh, that is a lot of poke. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, yeah, these are stock fenders. They are slightly rolled. They're not pulled at all, they're just slightly rolled. Definitely need to lower it down a little bit. Definitely got that monster truck fitment going on. So the rears are fine. I think I can work with that. The rears look really nice. It shouldn't rub at all on the rear, so I shouldn't need to do, probably pull them, roll them a little bit more, just so it doesn't rub when it dips down. But the fronts, I may need a downsize to, because I have 2 25/40s in the front. I may have to go with 215. I'm about to go and adjust the camber, see if I can throw in a little more camber in the fronts. And the reason why it's poking so much is pretty sure it's because of the lower control arms. It pushes the hub out a lot more. Plus these are 18 by 9.5 plus 15, so it already has a really low offset. So I definitely want to fit these, so I may need to pull the fronts and adjust the camber, because right now it will definitely rub, especially if I want to lower it more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and adjust the camera and see how I can get it to line up right. So we're back. All right, so I adjusted the camber and I also lowered the fronts a bit. So this is how it looks like when it's on the ground. Oof, super tight fitment. It's on the wheel aligner, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to take that out. But we'll see what we can do, because I kind of want to keep it in. Sheesh. It's looking nicer already. And I think that should be able to clear. We'll see. Alright, so quick update. Decided that I'm gonna take the fender off. I've already got a majority of the way out. Just had this one last bolt. It was kind of pain because I guess the previous owner used the pinch welds as this pinch weld as a jacking point or something, and bent the pinch welds up so that the bolt sits up top. And I don't know if you can see that. Hang on. But yeah, you see how it's pointed upwards, so I was able to get it out eventually, but it's kind of mangled now. But I'm taking the fender off so that I can relocate the main harness. Hang on. So I can relocate this main harness up here, because when I lower it down, I don't want the wheel rubbing into it. So that's what I'll be doing. Alright, here's another update. Finally got the fender off. I had to take the front bumper off. I was trying not to, but yeah. So now I have the main harness, or light harness, whatever you want to call it, zip tied up and out of the way. Well, sort of. Normally you would want to cut this little piece of metal right here and fold it up, but I think this will be fine for now. I'm not running like super duper slammed life, so let's see how this works. Time to put everything back together. Alright, so quick update. Today is a different day. It's actually the next day. Yesterday I was running into some issues with the car, trying to get these wheels to fit, and they actually don't clear my front brakes. This caused mess. It's been kind of slacking on making wheels that fit big brakes. So if you can see right there, it just barely clears, and that's only because I have like washers as spacers, and it just barely clears it. So I haven't even started on the other side yet, but as of right now, this is how it sits. On this side, I lowered the car a little bit, added a little more camber, and I gotta say, this looks pretty damn nice. I'm definitely liking this a lot. So, car's looking super clean, except for this side, which I'm about to get started with right now. So yeah, so I'll be right back once this is all finished and lowered. So I'll be back. Alright, so update, car's basically finished. I was able to get the wheels to fit in the front by adding like a washer on each side. I know it's kind of sketchy, but I think one washer is not gonna really affect it that much, I don't think. But I'm gonna get extended studs eventually and probably run a spacer, like an actual spacer, but we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get new wheels, but for now this is how the car sits. Oh shit. Yeah, this is how the car sits now. So So yeah, the car is a lot lower now, but let's see what happens in the future. Until then.
Hey guys, I just want to you know, introduce myself. This is my R32. I'm just kidding. You know what? You guys talking shit. I'm gonna show them the real car. This is the real car.
It's a left-hand drive GTR.
So this is a, you know.
You know they made like 4.
They only made one of these.
Like actually?
Actual left-hand.
Damn.
I've seen like Russian dudes like convert them. Yeah. And like the dash kind of looks like that, but all the AC vents are just moved to the other side. So they're like moved, but they're angled like the other way.
This is. All right. No, I'm just showing the people how nice of a car this is. It's ceramic coated. It's okay.
It's not even coated.
It's not even clear coated.
No, bro, that's just the matte finish. It turned off.
All right, so we just got the ISR 3-inch blast pipes on.
It turned off.
No, it's it. It's
Oh,
still going.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Hey, I don't GoPro.
Take 7.
Right, go.
Alright, so we got the ISR 3-inch blast pipes installed. Still got the factory downpipe, but let's see how loud it is.
Wow. That's way louder than earlier.
There's some exhaust leak in there, but I don't care.
I told you, guaranteed to leave.
Honestly, I'm not worried about it.
Oh hell no, I ain't gonna be. I ain't.
Just tighten it a little bit more.
It sounds like my Subaru.
That's fucking loud. I know why it's leaking. It's not. It's the gaskets. Like they're too like wide, like on the top and bottom. So like when you clamp it on, it's just like barely. I'm pretty sure.
I timed that shit down, so.
No, that's fine. Honestly, you won't even notice because it already sounds loud as fuck. So.
Well, enough with these cars that don't matter. Back to the no.
Just take that